Hey guys, today we're gonna discuss some simple tricks or profit loss which can be used in the competitive exams also. So let's start it. Know the general formula, that is if SP is, that is selling price is greater than the cost price, then we get gain which is equal to SP minus CP. And if we have cost price greater than, if the cost price of the articles or some other things is greater than SP, then we get loss which is equal to CP minus SP. Now similarly, what is the percentage gain? The percentage gain is equal to gain by CP into 100, that is cost price. And similarly, loss percent is equal to loss by CP into 100. These are the general formulas that can be used in solving the sums. Now if we have to find the selling price, if the gain percent on the article is given, then we can directly apply the formula, that is SP is equal to 100 plus gain percent by 100 into CP. We can directly apply this formula. And if loss percent is given and we have to find the selling price, then selling price can be directly find by using the formula of 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP. Now from here we can also find the cost price if the selling price is given, that is from here we can find the cost price is equal to 100 over 100 plus gain into SP. So from here we can cross multiply and find the value of selling price. From here also we can find the cost price, that is cost price is equal to 100 into SP by 100 minus loss percent. Now we will solve the questions relating to these tricks. Now example is a gold bracelet is sold for rupees 14500 at a loss of 20%. What is the cost price of the bracelet? As we have the formula, that is CP cost price, we can directly apply the formula here, which is cost price is equal to 100 by 100 minus loss into SP. We have this formula, so we can directly find it by 100 by, what is 100 minus loss percent, that is 100 minus what is loss percent, 20, so 100 minus 20 is 80 into SP, that is equal to 14500, and we get 18125. Now our next sum is a shopkeeper buys 144 egg at 90 paise each. On the way, 20 eggs were broken. He sold the remaining egg at rupees 1.20 each. Then what is the percentage gain and percentage loss? Now firstly we have to find the total CP. This is the objective type question and we have 4 answers as 4.8 loss, 12.9% gain, 8.5% loss and 14.8% gain. Now we will find this by using the trick. Now firstly we have to find the cost price of these eggs, that is 144 eggs, so the CP is equal to, that is cost price is equal to 144 into 90 paise each. So one egg is of 90 paise, and what is the cost price of 144 egg equal to 12960, and we have to convert it into rupees. Why? Because the cost of 20 egg are given in rupees, so we have to find it in rupees. This is divided by 100 and we get 129.6. What is given? On the way 20 eggs were broken, so remaining egg is equal to 144 minus 20, which is equal to 124. What is the selling price of 20 egg? That is SP is equal to 124 into 1.2, which is equal to 148.8 rupees. Now we have to find the gain percent and loss percent, and it is clearly seen that the SP is greater than CP. The shopkeeper get profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100. So what is the profit? If we minus this 148, subtract 129.6 from 148, we get 19.2. So 19.2 by 129, what is the cost price? 129.6 into 100, which is equal to 14.8.